Hey, what's up guys, everybody in YouTube land? So I had some trouble making a E38 bench harness for my LS swap. I went on to EFILive.com and got their bench harness pinout, and this might help some people. You see this right here, this empty hole, that is 48. The one right next to it has a pin in it. It's 47. For the life of me, I couldn't get mine to work, and then I realized that 47 has a pin in it. You have to punch out and repin the controller. See, that one is 49, that one's 48, and then I had to punch out this one and put a pink wire. So that might help some people. This 13 down here is ground. These two are the serial data link, and then these and this one are 12 volts.